Pero puras hembras, compa. Ni un cuerno. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, compa. Ya se fueron. Right now we're going to some elk that we saw. Well, my dad spotted. And while we were coming over here, we already saw another herd of 3 cows, I think, and 1 spike. And we're gonna see if we can at least spot them again, because they were super far away and we could identify them. So we're going right now towards them. It's day 3 of the hunt. Right now we're just waiting for it to get daylight, and we came to this new area that my friend told me about, and that they saw a bull here. So we're gonna try to find some, at least elk, and hopefully shoot one today. We're on to day 4. I haven't really recorded much because, well, we haven't seen much at all. Yesterday, all we saw was 3 cows, we think, and a little doe. That's basically it. So right now we're going in and going to a spot where we think they're at and just riding around. Maybe we can find some elk. My dad just spotted some elk, and right now we're racing to them to try to get like an advantage point to see if we find any bulls in the herd. There was like about 6, and we're hopefully gonna see a bull in the group and shoot it. Right now we're at this glassing point. We've been glassing for about like 20 minutes. We haven't yet spotted anything, but sadly the other elk, we ran up on them. We tried to sneak up on them, but we couldn't see them again. But there was still some people watching them from like where we first spotted them, so we're just gonna continue glassing. Hopefully we see some elk. Last hour of the hunt, it definitely got colder. I'm just in this little spot glassing, seeing if a bull or elk just want to get up and show themselves. So hopefully we can get one on the ground. Was the herd that we ran into in the morning, because we were really close by there. So at least we made sure that there were all cows at least. And Yeah, it's been pretty nice. Saw about 8 elk in like 5 minutes. We're like, it's like 2 o'clock. We're in the clearing that we saw 6 cows in on Wednesday, and we haven't seen anything else since like sunrise. So we're just trying to look around and see what we can find, and all we have seen are like 2 does and a fawn. I have a video of that, and that's pretty much it. It's been a good hunt so far. We've seen a lot of cows, and this morning we saw spike too, but has to be 3 points or more, so we'll try to find one this last day and hopefully kill it.